Welcome back to the JJV Study Center. Today's class we can discuss about of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 4.2. Previous session we learnt first main and second main. Today's class we will discuss third main. Check which of the following are solutions of the equations x minus 2y equals to 4 and which are not. Here what you can given main, here one given equation, here some solutions also given. In this solution which one will come exact as a solution you have to find out. How we can this solution is a exact means both left hand and RHS will get exact answer, same answer comes means that is the solution. So first solutions are given 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2 is the solution. Now substitute x minus 2y equals to 4, this is the equation. Now we can take x value is equal to 0, y value is equal to 2. Now we can substitute these values. X is equal to 0 minus as it is same 2 as it is, y plus you have to substitute 2. Here see there 0 as it is, here we can write plus into minus, minus, is it right? Plus into minus, minus, this 2 you can do multiplication, 2 2 is the 4, here will come minus, minus 4 equals to, here right hand side is there 4, here 2 2 is a 4, minus 4 equals to 4, here minus 4 not equal to plus 4, is it right? So this 0 comma 2 is not a solution of the equation. So this equation will not get this solution, so it never comes. We can go with the next option 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 means x value how much we can take 2, y value how much we can take 0. So same equation you can consider, you can substitute the values, x value is equal to 2, y value is equal to 0. So x value is equal to 2, here 2 multiplied 0 means 2 zeros are 0, then we'll get here 2, here will come 4. This is not a solution of this equation, so this is also solution will not come. Next the third equation. So third solution you can observe 4 comma 0. Here is a question is given x minus 2y equals to 4 means here you can substitute this value, x value is equal to 4, y value is equal to 0. Here you can substitute means x value is equal to 4, y value is equal to 0 means y value will get here 0, then we'll get right side values are given 4, then 4 comma 4 you can observe left hand side also will come 4, right hand side also will come 4, then we'll get answer will come exact same. So yes, this is the solution of this equation. X minus 2y equals to 4 means here what is the solution? 4 comma 0 is the solution. X minus 2y equals to 4 means this is the solution 4 comma 0. So fourth main you can observe solution what will given root 2 comma 4 comma root 2. Same x minus 2y equals to 4 you can given, x place you can write root 2, y value you can write 4 root 2 equals to 4. Here you can observe root 2, 2 4s are 8, this is root 2 equals to 4. Here root 2 same means you can take common, root 2 as a common means here left 1 minus 8 will left equals to 4. Here root 2, 8 minus 1 means what will get here? Minus. So then answer what will get here? Minus 7 root 2 not equal to 4 means here 7 root 2 value is different than 4 means this is also not a solution of that equation. So last fifth case you can observe 1 comma 1. X minus 2y equals to 4 means x plus 1 we can take, y plus 1. Here 1 minus 2 ones are 2, here will get 4. So minus 1 not equal to 4. This is also not a equation. So not a solution of this equation. So only one, this 5 cases. Third case you can observe 4 comma 0 will get the exact answer, 4 comma 4 will come. So this is the solution. This under 1, 2, 4 and 5th one not a solution of that equation. Fourth question, find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y equals to 1. Is a solution of this equation means 2x plus 3y equals to k. Here one equation is given, 2x plus 3y equals to k. Here you have to find out the k value. Here x value is given, y value is given, then easily you can calculate the k value. Then 2x plus 3y equals to k means x value 2 you can substitute, y value is equal to 1. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 3 7. So k value is equal to how much will get? 7. So one more problem, find the m value. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, then equation is 4x plus 5y equals to m. So answers post on the comment box section. If you like the concept, please subscribe my channel and share the channel